Hola, soy Juan Nieto. I import a folder. Drag the clips to the timeline. Jump to the Edit tab. Hold for options. Unlink the image and audio to remove the audio track. Change the resolution of the timeline to 2160 per 3840. On the inspector, I adjust the first clip to the screen and copy the properties to paste it to the others. Jump to the Color tab. Raise the gain. The same with the others. If you want to learn more about to create high-quality videos for YouTube or TikTok, Instagram, consider subscribing. These clips were shot in slow motion. I will change to normal speed, accelerating them. Now I leave the fragments that I want. Pause to clean the screen. Now I drag a soundtrack. If you want high-quality free copyrighted music for your videos like this one or like the background, join artlist.io through the link on the description to get 2 months for free. Thanks for your support. With this tool, I changed the fragment of a trimmed clip. I trim the soundtrack and add a fade-out transition. On Composite, change to Screen to remove the black background. I'll jump again to the Color tab. Select a clip and add a new node. LUTs tab. I pick this one. And control the intensity. The same process with the rest. Please comment what tutorial do you want next. Here's the final video. Quick export. Share. Share. Now you can save it in your gallery or send it through AirDrop to your iPhone. Gracias por ver. Hasta luego.